How to recover your Snapchat account. This tutorial shows you how to reset your password and get back into your account. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. From there, on the login screen, tap Forgot Your Password. After that, choose whether you want to recover your account using your phone number or your email address. At this point, enter the required details and follow the on-screen instructions. Following this, if you choose phone number, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code, then create a new password. From here, if you choose email instead, check your inbox for the reset link and follow the steps provided to set a new password. At this stage, once your password is reset, go back to the app and log in using your new details. If you're still unable to access your account after that, visit the Snapchat support page and submit a request for help, since their team can manually assist with account recovery in more complicated cases. That's how you recover your Snapchat account.